Exercise 13.7. In this exercise we will take this support block, draw it in 2D in model space on our industrial design title block. Once we've drawn it two-dimensionally, we'll go into model space, in model space we'll go ahead and model this part. I like to make a copy of it and leave the original intact. So once we have it drawn, we'll copy it. Turn off the dimension layer, hidden line, and center line layers. That'll leave us with the base geometry. It's important that all the endpoints of the lines are connected endpoint to endpoint and that there's no gaps within the geometry. Once we have the part drawn, we have to think about how we're going to model it. For this exercise, we'll use the modeling toolbar. Tools, Toolbars, AutoCAD, Modeling. Before we model, I usually like to take an isometric view. View, Views, Southeast Isometric. Press pull is the command that I'm going to use, and we're going to press pull this the thickness of the part right here. Let me verify that with the dimension. 20 millimeters. Press pull, hover, click, 20. Now to do the bottom support, we have to flip it upside down. Shift middle mouse wheel will expose the bottom of it. Now you can see we can't really see the geometry that was left there, so I'm going to go and change the visual style. View, visual style, 2D wireframe. And it appears I'm going to need the hidden line layer. That's what I'm looking for. And what I'm going to do, holding shift middle mouse wheel, is I'm going to glide down to the bottom of the part, and I'm going to press pull this rectangular, this square shape. Press pull, hover, click, and then the amount. And the amount of that is going to be 60. View, visual style, conceptual. Now it looks like it's a little thicker than it's supposed to be, so let me check that again with the dimensions. 30. So how do I fix that? What I'll do is I'll come back, and there's something called sub-object editing, and if I hold Control click, I will get the sub-object, and if you can see it says 60 as I grab this arrow here, and I'll pull this back till it's minus 30. Whoops, undo that. Try it again. Control click. And I think what it is it's my O-snap getting in the way. There we go, 30. Okay, once we have these two parts modeled, then we need to do the ribs. To do the ribs, what we're going to do is we're going to press pull these 10. Hover, click, 10. And then what I'll do is I'll copy it. Turn off my select the object, you specify a base point on the object, and then you choose which axis you want to rotate that. I'm going to choose this, and I'm also going to put on the ortho. When you use ortho, what that will do is it'll make sure that it moves squarely. And it looks like I'm going to have to do that again. There we go. Shift middle mouse key, glide to the bottom, copy from the midpoint of the center of this object to the midpoint of this object. Oops, let's try that again. Copy from the midpoint to the midpoint. And we'll do the same